Aloha, good morning again. I'm checking in from Waikīkī, doing a site tour at the Embassy Suites by Hilton on Beach Walk, Waikīkī. I'm in the pool area. We got a lot of cabanas. It was raining earlier. It's calmed down a little bit, so I wanted to take advantage and get some video and pictures from this area before the rain comes back. In fact, it's actually drizzling right now. But just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like, it's a very, very nice hotel. Got an outside bar. Oh, they got a little koi pond. That's cool. And here's the pool. Jacuzzi, plenty of seating area for your evening swims and cocktails. Okay, so I am touring with Jay Raquinho. He is one of the managers, and just talking about the bikini bar up ahead. So that is their paid bar, and then this is the hula bar over here. So when it opens, you can actually redeem your free drink over here in the evening. So that's pretty cool. Okay, pool is heated. This is waiting area, and this is usually where a lot of the kids come. And then the second one further out, that one is the working jacuzzi. And as you can see, there's a lift for ADA accessibility. Okay, we're in a 2-bedroom suite. Here is one of the bedrooms. Looks like 2 full or queen size beds. Oh, nice big screen TV. Closet. This particular room is a city view room. Small little lanai over here. And there's second door over here. This is really nice. Okay, and this is the common area. This pulls out into a sleeper. Another big screen TV. And another lanai with seating area outside. And the entryway, you can have your sink in your breakfast area. So mini fridge, microwave, coffee maker. Looks like a tea kettle as well. Very nice. And here's the second bedroom. Oh, a king size. So the max occupancy for this room would be 6 people, and you don't get charged if your kids are under 17, I believe he said. So here's the other side of the lanai, if I can find the curtain. Or not. Okay, here's one of the closets. So you have the extra bedding. Ironing board, iron. And here's the bathroom over here. It's a nice big bathroom. Tub and bath amenities. So it's one less thing you have to worry about packing. All right, so this is the second bathroom. This is actually on the side of the first room that I was in with the 2 beds. So 2-bedroom, 2-bath suite. And this is an all-suite hotel.
So this one is going to be our 1-bedroom suite ocean view category.
Okay.
So just a little bit for...
Okay, this is the 1-bedroom suite. We have 2 queen-size beds. Okay. Large screen TV, so pretty much same setup. This one is an ocean view, and there you go, there's the ocean. So this is the same floor, we're just on the opposite side of the hallway, so nice difference there between the city view and the ocean view. And the larger entryway. Again, mini fridge, microwave, coffee maker, tea kettle. And then this one, here's the living room area. This also pulls out into a sleeper. And you have a nice little lanai with some chairs. Okay.
Fitness center.
There's a fitness center, Aloha Tower, 4th floor?
3rd floor.
3rd floor. This is a pretty good sized gym.
So this, when we did our renovation back in 2020, we actually redid this whole entire thing. This used to be a business center.
Ah.
And now everything, we converted this to also gym.
So both towers have a laundromat located on the 3rd floor. So for those of you that like to pack light and do your laundry while you travel, there you go.
I haven't walked through this in a long time. But this property, so I know where it is. And if you walk down where the hula tower is, we'll also have another kind of wall of fame here. So like if you've ever been to Outrigger Waikīkī.
So I just finished my site tour of the Embassy Suites by Hilton at Beach Walk, Waikīkī. It's a really nice property, guys. You know, breakfast is included. I don't know if you can see that. Definitely great for more budget-conscious travelers. You know, you really don't need luxury, and it's a really great property to send people to. So where it's located is not exactly central Waikīkī, and that's actually a good thing because you're just away from the thick of all that congestion. So as far as location is concerned, it's a great location for you to be in.